Hello guys. If you saw this video where I made the ice cream, today this is like, I don't know, I mixed all my Play-Doh together. And I'm gonna be telling the difference of Play-Doh and the slime that's made out of Play-Doh and lotion. So, yeah. For spreading, let's see. This is a real Play-Doh. Spreads pretty well, but then it breaks. And this is the slime. So, the difference I could tell about these is that this is way more hard and not that soft. And this one is way more softer and it's not that rough. So, I'm just watching something on the TV. So this, I think, is way more like slime because of the lotion. And you can try this if you made this. Please watch that video before this video. If you made it, you can see the difference of Play-Doh and the slime. If you saw the video where I made this. Okay. Leave in the comments down below if you know how to do ASMR. I do, but if you're a YouTuber, then tell me in the comments down below if you know like how to show the ASMR, like poking and stuff. Cause look, I'm poking right now with the slime. My brother says that this feels gross. It feels so cool. It's not that stretchy though, but I can tell that it's like slime. I could play with this like all day. It doesn't get your hands all like dry because like with slime with contact lens solution for the activator, laundry detergent, and borax and water, it makes your hands dry for the activator. And I think this one's way better at poking than the real Play-Doh. It's gray because I mixed all of my slime. Mine's more of a brownish than it actually looks. Yours looks more of like, on the camera it looks more grayish. It looks exactly gray. It's actually pretty, it's brown and gray. This one's really dry. If you have Spectrum, which you probably do, look up A Christmas Story Live if you know A Christmas Story. It's on during Christmas. Check it out right now because it's awesome. A Christmas Story Live. It's on Spectrum because it's at a studio that you can watch. And they do A Christmas Story. If you know A Christmas Story, leave in the comments down below. I know it or I don't because, yeah. If you know it, then check A Christmas Story Live on Spectrum if you have it. Okay, so let's stop talking about that. Okay. I'm gonna try and show you both. It's hard to. How do you do ASMR? Okay. think I got it. So this is the real Play-Doh. I'm gonna poke it. It's pretty hard too, but I gotta say, leave it back there. Okay. Oh, yeah, and when I poke it, it lifts up the table. And it just flips. So that's the real Play-Doh, and now I got the slime. The lotion probably makes it less thicker. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Oops, it does kind of pop a little, but that's because the Play-Doh isn't sticky yet. I would say that this is way better. If you make that ice cream cone thing, you should, if you can't, ask your mom, maybe can we do it another day or something? Because it's so fun. I had so much fun making that video with you guys. And maybe I'll do another DIY sometime. So I'm going to put this back and don't forget to try this if you haven't. And watch that video how you make this if you haven't. Okay. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And I am just going to, this is kind of ripped. So I'm going to make a new one of these. It doesn't matter because it's still, yeah, this totally dried out a lot. And I made that video today, that part 1. This is just this is a dried out part. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always. If you made it, like, okay, like this video.